Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to create your own folder and add files to it. To do that, click My Documents and click Folder. So here you have an option to create your own folder. Click Create Your Own and give a name to your folder. You can also change the color of your folder. To do that, click the circle and move in this color picker and place it on the color that you want. You can also change the shade of your colors. So once you are done with selecting your color, click Create and your folder is created. In order to create another folder, click Create Folder and give a name to your folder. You can also change the color again and click Create. So we have created two folders. Now to add files inside this folder, open this folder first and click Create File. So you have an option to either create a form file or a PDF or even a PDF template inside this folder. So now we'll see how to add the existing files that were already created into the folder. To do that, you have to go to that particular file. So I want to add a form file. So click Forms and then click on the actions on the particular form that you want to add and click Add to Folder. So now this box opens up and select the particular folder that you want this file to be added and click Add. File is added to the folder. We'll go and check it now. So here we have the form that we just added into this folder. Likewise, you can also do the same thing for a PDF or even for a PDF template. So open the PDF file and click on the actions next to the file that you want to be added to the folder and click Add to Folder. And also select the particular folder and click Add. We'll go and check it now. So here we have the file that we just added. Now we'll see how to move one folder to another. To do that, click on these three dots and click Move. So click Move on the folder where you want it to be moved. And now we'll check it. So here we have the folder that we just moved. So if you want to delete any folder, what you have to do is click on these three dots beside the folder and click Delete Folder. And also confirm your deletion. And here the folder is deleted. Thank you.